This is a sample video just for WeShipFloors so that they'll have this record. This is the Oak Gunstock. You can see the embossing and beveling where it's shiny. The micro bevels, they look like actual bevels. I like that, even though they're just micro bevels. This is the way it looks. And then these are movers. They're moving us in. This is the more sweeping view. I'll just walk here. Okay. Come back here to the corner again. And this is the main level of a 3-story. That's been done with Oak Gunstock.